Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and authorized. Start now by opening the specific team where the channel will live. Click the ellipsis next to the team name and choose Add Channel. Name the channel clearly, add a concise description, and select standard or private depending on access needs. Once done, set privacy and choose whether to auto-post an announcement. Make sure to gather any required permissions or owner approvals before proceeding. Now configure the channel's detailed options. If you picked private, add specific members and at least one owner. For standard, decide if only owners can post. Turn on channel moderation when you need controlled conversations and choose which apps or tabs to expose like Planner, OneNote, or a website. Once you add connectors, tests, or bots, review settings for notifications and file sharing. This prevents surprises later and keeps team workflows aligned with your governance. Finish by clicking Add and immediately validate the new channel. Post a welcome message, upload a sample file, and confirm tabs load. Make sure members receive notifications and can access files. Adjust notification defaults if necessary. If someone cannot join or sees limited functionality, first check their account role and the team's privacy setting. Next, inspect org-level policies restricting channel creation. If issues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.